สาธุสาธุสาธุ May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. May my parents be happy. May my parents be healthy. May my parents be safe. May my parents live in peace. May my friends be happy. May my friends be healthy. May my friends live with peace. May my relatives be happy, be healthy, live with me, free from suffering. May my moderate people be happy, be wealthy, be healthy, live with me, free from suffering. May people, those are enemies, be happy, be healthy, be healthy, live with me, free from suffering. The being on the right side, be happy, be wealthy, be healthy, live with me, free from suffering. The beings on the left side, be healthy, be wealthy, be live with peace, be happy, free from suffering. Never be in the north side, be happy, be wealthy, be healthy, live happy, free from suffering. The beings in the best side, be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, live with ease, free from suffering. May the beings, may all living beings, including humans, non-humans, deities, and all the beings, be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, free from suffering. May all beings in this universe, in this planet, or beyond this world, be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, live with ease, free from suffering. May all beings free from suffering, be healthy, live with ease. May they be well and happy. May they be well and happy. May all beings live with ease, free from suffering. Be healthy, be wealthy. May all beings be well and happy. Now you can decide and think of, memorize, recall these verses for few minutes. Say sadhu, sadhu.